Ready, go!
For extreme ills, extreme remedies. Here is 9 benefits of eating watermelon. Watermelon is a delicious and refreshing fruit that's also good for you. It contains only 46 calories per cup, but is high in vitamin C, vitamin A and many healthy plant compounds. 1. Helps you hydrate. Drinking water is an important way to keep your body hydrated. However, eating foods that have a high water content can also help. Interestingly, watermelon is 92% water. What's more, a high water content is one of the reasons why fruits and vegetables help you feel full. The combination of water and fiber means you're eating a good volume of food without a lot of calories. 2. Contains nutrients and beneficial plant compounds. As far as fruits go, watermelon is one of the lowest in calories, only 46 calories per cup, 154 grams. That's lower than even low-sugar fruits such as berries. 1 cup 154 grams of watermelon has many other nutrients as well, including these vitamins and minerals: vitamin C, 21% of the reference daily intake (RDI), vitamin A, 18% of the RDI, potassium, 5% of the RDI, magnesium, 4% of the RDI, vitamins B1, B5 and B6, 3% of the RDI. Watermelon is also high in carotenoids, including beta-carotene and lycopene. Plus, it has citrulline, an important amino acid. 3. Contains compounds that may help prevent cancer. Researchers have studied lycopene and other individual plant compounds in watermelon for their anti-cancer effects. Though lycopene intake is associated with a lower risk of some types of cancer, study results are mixed. The strongest link so far seems to be between lycopene and cancers of the digestive system. It appears to reduce cancer risk by lowering insulin-like growth factor (IGF), a protein involved in cell division. High IGF levels are linked to cancer. 4. May improve heart health. Heart disease is the #1 cause of death worldwide. Lifestyle factors, including diet, may lower your risk of heart attack and stroke by reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Several nutrients in watermelon have specific benefits for heart health. Studies suggest that lycopene may help lower cholesterol and blood pressure. It can also help prevent oxidative damage to cholesterol. 5. May lower inflammation and oxidative stress. Inflammation is a key driver of many chronic diseases. Watermelon may help lower inflammation and oxidative damage, as it's rich in the anti-inflammatory antioxidants lycopene and vitamin C. In a 2015 study, lab rats were fed watermelon powder to supplement an unhealthy diet. Compared to the control group, they developed lower levels of the inflammatory marker C-reactive protein and less oxidative stress. 6. May help prevent macular degeneration. Lycopene is found in several parts of the eye where it helps protect against oxidative damage and inflammation. It may also prevent age-related macular degeneration (AMD). This is a common eye problem that can cause blindness in older adults. Lycopene's role as an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound may help prevent AMD from developing and getting worse. 7. May help relieve muscle soreness. Citrulline, an amino acid in watermelon, may reduce muscle soreness. It's also available as a supplement. Interestingly, watermelon juice appears to enhance the absorption of citrulline. One small study gave athletes plain watermelon juice mixed with citrulline or a citrulline drink. Both watermelon drinks led to less muscle soreness and quicker heart rate recovery, compared to citrulline on its own. The researchers also conducted a test tube experiment, investigating the absorption of citrulline. Their findings suggest that citrulline absorption is most effective when it's consumed as a component of watermelon juice. 8. Is good for skin and hair. Two vitamins in watermelon, A and C, are important for skin and hair health. Vitamin C helps your body make collagen, a protein that keeps your skin supple and your hair strong. Vitamin A is also important for healthy skin since it helps create and repair skin cells. Without enough vitamin A, your skin can look dry and flaky. Both lycopene and beta-carotene may also help protect your skin from sunburn. 9. Can improve digestion. Watermelon contains lots of water and a small amount of fiber, both of which are important for healthy digestion. Fiber can provide bulk for your stool, while water helps keep your digestive tract moving efficiently. Eating water-rich and fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, including watermelon, can be very helpful for promoting normal bowel movements. Thanks for watching.